Today I'm going to show you how to build your own text-to-speech engine using macOS built-in voices, PHP, and FFmpeg, without using any external API. If you have macOS, you can generate free text-to-speech voices directly from your system. To do this, open the Apple macOS settings. Then go to Accessibility, Live Speech, Voice, and then click Manage Voices. Here you can download many voices and different languages. Inside Accessibility, you will find the Live Speech page. Under the Voice section, scroll down and click on Manage Voices. You will find multiple voice artists from different languages, such as English. For India, you can find voices for Asian languages, and you can also install voices for Hindi. Once you install the voice packs, you can start using them immediately. Then you just need a simple PHP file where you can convert your text into speech. For this example, I created a simple web page where you can enter your text and then generate the voice automatically. In my setup, I installed several different voice artists to test the system.
This is the same core backend architecture used by many OTT platforms, IPTV systems, and live event streaming services, built using open source tools and solid server-side design. Turning infrastructure into something people can actually watch live is always satisfying rocket.
एक, पिचकारी की धार, गुलाल की बौछार। 2, खुशियों से हो आपकी मुलाकात, रंगों से भरी रहे हर बात। 3, होली के दिन वो दोस्त भी याद आते हैं। 4, मक्का की रोटी। 5, रंगों के होते कई नाम। 6, मथुरा की खुशबू। 7,
You can download the generated MP3 files directly from macOS. If you need it, I can also share this PHP code with you. In this project, I am using the macOS say command, together with FFmpeg, to convert the generated M4A audio file into an MP3 file. This way, you can easily generate free text-to-speech audio. And the best part is, the voices are completely free when using macOS. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more videos about streaming systems, automation, and media technology.